Android system error screens are popping up, and we're fixing them right now. This critical alert means something's wrong, but don't worry, we'll get your device back to normal with these essential steps. First, a simple restart often clears temporary glitches. Power your device completely off, then hold the power button until the Android logo appears, followed by the volume down button to navigate and select restart. If that doesn't resolve the Android system error screens, the issue might be with a specific app's data, so we move to method 2. Open your settings, find the app causing trouble, go to its storage and cache, and clear both the cache and storage to reset its temporary files. Still seeing those error messages? Method 3 focuses on a vital system component. Search for Android System WebView in the Play Store if it's outdated, update it, or uninstall and reinstall it to ensure it's functioning correctly. Finally, if none of these resolve the Android system error screens, a full system update is the next logical step. Go into your system settings, check for any available Android software updates, download and install them to patch any deeper OS level problems.